My sponsoring facility is the Air Force Research Lab in Dayton, Ohio, and I'll be working with the Sensors Directorate there. I am an alum of the Informatics program, and I worked with Dr. Cornell, who's the director of the Cybersecurity and Cryptography Lab.
In the lab, we tackle lots of areas of cybersecurity. We use artificial intelligence for cybersecurity, but we also study issues in artificial intelligence. My goal with the lab also is to bring students together from lots of different backgrounds. I have cybersecurity majors, I have information science and tech. I've had majors from every area of CHC and then also some beyond.
The SMART Scholarship, in partnership with the Department of Defense, pairs you with a sponsoring facility, and then they fund the research that I'm doing in the university, and then once I graduate, I join their workforce and do research with them. I'll be doing data analytics, data visualization, and data prediction with and related to sensing for aviation. In addition to the scholarship, until I graduate, I'll be going out to the Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, working with the experts in the field and continuing to do research with them.
UAlbany is nice because it does bring a lot of research into the classrooms. You get exposed to that right from freshman year on, and also just the variety of disciplines that we have on campus and how interdisciplinary some of the areas are.
I owe everything to the faculty and staff and the peers that I have through the classes that I've taken, through the interaction that I can have in our lab spaces. It's really been pivotal for me to grow as a student and also as a career professional. I know that that's something that as I continue to grow, I can look back and be very, very fortunate to have been in this space.